How to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and further tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the settings button on the top right of your screen. Tap on that and scroll down, and under your information you will see the option for access your information. Tap on that and then tap on the continue button. You will see a search bar here, so tap on that and type in other people's post to your feed and tap on the other people's post to your feed option. In the interface that you will next be led to, you will be able to see all the posts that people have posted on your timeline. So to reply to them, you can tap on the three dots you see there and tap on the view option and make a comment as a reply to their post, and you can repeat the same process for all the posts as it will be shown under one interface, and you will not have to keep searching for other people's birthday posts on your timeline. So this is how you can reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.